Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video I want to talk about the Apple event and also the iMac devices which were announced yesterday. Yesterday they announced different products like iPad Pro with new M1 chip, which is I think overkill for the iPadOS. Then they announced the AirTags, which actually is the most interesting part, but I think that it could be a little bit smaller, this AirTags. And then we had this Apple TV with the new remote, which were also anticipated, and there were so many complaints about the last remote control of the Apple TVs. But the most important part and the new complete design change was in the iMacs, and I don't like them. That's why I decided to make this video also, to give my thoughts here. The thing is, if you go to the Apple website, you will see this device, iMac, from the side, because that's the most beautiful part about these devices. Because you look at it from the side, they look really thin. It looks like iPad that you put it on the stand. But you would never, almost never, look at it from the side unless you use it as a decoration like object. You will work it and you will see the front of the screen, and that's where the ugliest part of is this design is, in my opinion. So I will show you guys how it looks like. I will go now to the Mac here. Now I have the iMac here. You guys clearly see from the side. Always they show it from the side in the beginning because that's the most beautiful part about these screens. But look at this bezel here, the white bezels. I really don't know who designed these devices. They look like a candy. From the back they look also okay, but Apple logo in the back is also huge. I think they just want to push it on your face, kind of. This is Apple devices. But in my opinion, these devices look really ugly. From the back you guys can see it. It looks okay. The Apple logo in my opinion is huge. It should be smaller. From the side it looks perfect. The blue color is also nice, but from the front with the white bezels, this is really ugly. I don't understand the design choices here. This is a like a desktop device. You put it on your desk and you start working with it. You don't move it that much. So what's the need to make it that thin? It's not that something that you would carry all the time. It's just impressive, true, but it would be nicer if they made it a bit thicker and they put all the components that they have below here on behind of the screen. That will make it much beautiful to look at. Now you will look at this and it looks empty in the bottom bezel. It's huge, and there are also white bezels. I don't know, because of the coloring here they couldn't go with the black, but this looks really, really ugly in my opinion. I wish that Johnny Ive didn't leave Apple. I think the Apple's designs are getting worse and worse a little bit with time, and I hope that he comes back to Apple really, because Apple is famous for making really clean, nice, well-built products, and now the designs are like going really down in my opinion, and the purple color in my opinion is also really bad. Actually, the purple is the worst color in my opinion here. Anyway, what I want to say, you will look at it from the front. You will never look at your device from the back, especially if you use it at home. The back of the monitor or this iMac will look to the wall, so you will never see it. From the side, you maybe see it, but you would 99% look it from the front, and that's where the ugliest part of this monitor is. So I don't know why they didn't make it a little bit thick and get rid of this bezel to get much clean and modern design. So that was my opinion about these iMacs. I think they are terrible, and hope that they will change the design in future. So hope to see you guys in the next one.